Hello, it's me.
Hey, so it's been raining a lot here in Georgia, and like, look at all that freaking mud. And so I found a leak, and it's a very rare leak in the 2006 Eclipse, and it's leaking right above the triangle window. So I'm gonna figure out where it's coming from. I'm gonna seal it, and I gotta clean it up. But first is first, I gotta figure out how to get into this shed. Got it. Gotta get a gun for this cock. I'm just kidding. Caulk, whatever. Call it as you may. All right, so I got those dirty caulk suckers all over my finger. You can see I can't really get the gun back there, and this gun is hard, dude. Like, if I'd known any better, I'd say it was too hard, but when caulk gets too hard. Anyway, so using my fingers to spread them. Oh my god, this is awful. But using my fingers, spreading it out, it looks pretty good, pretty sealed. I might just go ahead and do the other side too, just in case. Because I mean, if this side did it, let's just stop the other side. I don't know if you can tell, it has a ridge right here, between there and there. It doesn't really have much of a ridge back there, and that might contribute to it. So if any future automakers, whatever, plan on working on another Eclipse or some sealant like this, remember to lift the ridge a little bit higher. Might help out a lot. Otherwise, it's just gonna start fucking molding. Look, it is right there. Gotta get a dry vac up in there. Super wet. So wet. Oh, that's a black light, by the way. The water likes to stick around really nasty areas. So I'm gonna go ahead and seal that on both sides as well. The little, I don't know what that piece is for, and probably for the brake light. Get that done. So when I first noticed the leak, I actually didn't notice it from anywhere over here. I noticed it in the trunk under the spare tire. There was literally a pool of water. And I got that out by poking these little holes. And it did pretty well. I actually have a picture of it where it just all over the water, all over. In the meantime, look what I found. This shit wasn't even welded on. Just fucking, people. Well, I ended up not having to jerry rig it. It actually, in the middle of it, fell apart again, so I slammed it together, and it just happened to work out better this time. So, put clothes hangers right here and right here to help support it. Also, I have this one right here. But I mean, it's on there. I just want to make sure. Damn it, it came apart again. So I got some help from Rob Zimmerman from the 4G Eclipse group. Shout out to my man. He's a sponsored, he was at least a sponsored Plasti Dip race car driver, which is pretty awesome. He also makes door handles for 4G Eclipses, and he has a lot of respect in our group, and I really appreciate his help. But he suggested getting this connector, so I went ahead, went to the store, super cheap, slid under the car, didn't even have to use a jack. Put that sucker right on, and you know, it's on. Oh, and neat little trick I learned. It doesn't always happen when it's cold, but definitely, probably more likely when it's cold. So a lot of times you're having a hard time starting your car, and you know, charging the battery, you know, plug it into another car. I don't know what to call it. Plug it into another car, that usually works. But I have found that if I take the key, and I tried it the first time, and it's like, nah. So I take it off, and then I go, BAM! And it just, so just slam that motherfucker in. Not in, but on. Probably need a new starter though. But hey, if you're having car problems, at least try that one. Now I also have a check engine light on that when I try to put a OBD reader on it, it doesn't really read anything. It just throws an error. And usually that means that the engine has some type of wing thing with it. So what's been suggested to me is to get some seafoam and put it in the crankcase. So I do have seafoam, and I'm probably going to do that. Probably won't take a video of it, but that may help. And hey, it may even help with the old getting her going. Hope this was informative. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you figured out where your leak was actually coming from, and I hope that my answer was your answer. And if so, hey, leave a like, you know, help a small YouTuber out. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.